Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Blockblast crashing the second you tap the icon with no error messages and no explanation at all? Here's the fix. First, go ahead and swipe up and force close Blockblast completely from your recent apps. Now, go to your settings, then go to General, then go to iPhone Storage and check your free space since the game crashes on launch far more often when the storage is critically low and there isn't enough room to write temporary files. After that, free up room by offloading a few unused apps if storage is tight. If storage looks fine and it's still crashing, press and hold the Block Blast icon on your home screen. Then tap Remove App, Delete App, then tap Delete to fully uninstall it. Once you've uninstalled it, go back to your App Store and search for Block Blast. Tap on it and tap Get to reinstall it completely fresh. After reinstalling, go back to your settings, go back to General, go to Software Update, and install any pending iOS updates since outdated app versions and outdated iOS are two common most causes of this exact crash. So, all you've got to do is check storage, delete and reinstall fresh from App Store, update iOS, Block Blast opens without crashing, and that's it. Subscribe for more Block Blast fixes.